Jordan brand. What the?
And they say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
What is going on, my YouTube family? You already know what it is. Hashtag brick by brick. I got to keep my energy a little bit down. Shout out to the Bro Money Run Clothing. Y'all saw this again. Got the dope merch. I'm going to get a couple more of these. Weather changing on you, boy. So, a little bit sick. But we got to keep pushing. We got to keep getting these bangers out. All scruffy and stuff like that. But it's all good in the neighborhood. Go check out my family members, 313 Retro Queen. I think she'll couple way get her to 600, then we'll be on our way to 1K. Also, go check out the bros PMKICKZ. They on their way to 2K, him and MCFLYKOF. Shout out to everyone for stopping through. If you're doing the voting polls is open for the 3 categories. For the award show, also we have more awards to be categories to be given, so make sure y'all follow us on Who Has the Heat on IG. I'm also trying to build up my page, E_money_shoes. I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure it's going to be doing Christmas or maybe after the New Year, but another giveaway will be coming. On the grind currently to 5K. I don't know what 2020 may hold, but we're going to try to do things a little bit different because we got the Who Has the Heat season 4 coming out. We also got the Tournament of Champions and all of that stuff. So hopefully we get an action-packed year for you guys. So if you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Now enough of that talking, let's get into this review. Now yesterday I was so stoked about this because this is a prime example of patience pays off. Now I'm not just gonna go jump out the window now to be the first to get the video. I'm sorry. I'm being patient now. I'm keeping my ear to the ground and seeing what's going on, calling around, getting the feel to see what I need to grab right away or what I can wait on. And lately the base has been great to me. I won on these. They had like a scratchy giveaway and I got 25% off. So these are the Air Jordan 4 Retro SE official colorway, white, military, blue, fire red. Suggested retail price is $200, but on base they was $159. I got 25% off these joint, $120. Now if that ain't a steal, I don't know what is. You see, you got your puka, and what is a $200 shoe for $120 with no tax? I ain't no mathematician, but I say that is a win-win for me. And y'all already know I love fours. A lot of people don't like this shoe, but these are bangers in my opinion. Now my couple of beefs or gripes what I have about this shoe is I know it's supposed to be the military blue. Then you got that what is it, fire red or whatever this is, and then you got the cement, and you have the red for it now. So this one, I see this piece. See mine, I gotta send this, get them restored. So they're cracking. So I can see the resemblance in the shoe, right? You got the resemblance in the shoe somewhere. Oh yeah, right here. So you get here, and you got here, right there. So that's same thing. But I mean, other than that, this side is dope. That's why they said you gotta wear your fours, because if not, the glue not gonna mesh good, so it's not gonna stick. And now this is dope because you got the clear hang tag, so this is a little different. So I don't have the military blue. Please believe me, they will be coming pretty soon. I'll be getting those. All right, got these joints, the black cement. All right, or bread, I should say. Got the hang tag. So basically, hang tag similarity, I guess, would be this. One is orange, One is clear. Now, where the similarities come in at? Not really much, but I guess you can go here, in my opinion. But I mean, where else do you see it? I mean, unless you're gonna go at the bottom with a black paint, but that's the same thing as the fire red joint. So to me, okay, and then I give you this, the patch. Whoop-de-doo. But Jordan Brand, y'all got us on that. I mean, it's, in my opinion, there's not much going on with this shoe. Right, I'll say something, my bad. This shoe that screams this shoe. But that's just me. I mean, it's very, very minimal. And I guess if you want to throw in the waffles, I guess you can throw in the waffle. Okay, but with that being said, all right, you got that one. I get to that eventually. I'll probably wear those next year. Then you got, last but not least, you got these things with the, when I changed out, did the lace swap on these. Now, these of course is apparent, right? You got it here, right? It really sticks out. And then you got the Nike Air on the ass. Two Nike Air. Do y'all see the similarities or the differences in the two? Definitely the ones on these are by far straighter than these. I mean, just look at them. It's just like night and day. But hey, it is what it is. The material is a little bit better on this one though, for sure. This one is, I done wore these a couple times. Got a little crease, but this one a little bit stiffer, I would say. But I mean, beggars can't be choosy. I am glad to have the shoe. Not just going over the shoe, of course, right? You got the bottom, all that stuff. They tried to hook it up. Some people could say they could have did a little bit better, but you got that on the bottom. As you can see, the two different similarities. Got to keep them clean. Like I said, you got the air unit. Of course, everybody know this is a Tinker Hatfield shoe. Like I said, 3, 4, 5, 6, the only ones that have the air units in the Jordans. So you need to wear these at least 10-15 minutes to let the glue mesh on these shoes. And you got white laces in both of them. So I'm probably gonna do the most common thing with everybody do, since they are with one side white, one side black, because you got an extra pair of laces here, black laces. And like I said, I got to get the military blue 4s. They will be coming sometime next year. And you got your shoe tree, size 10 to 10.5. I mean, to me, for the price, I think that's why people don't like the price. It's $200. I don't know about premium materials. I guess they're trying to say because they use different shoes, but it's definitely not worth $200. And I love 4s. So since they're sitting, there's a lot of other shoes out there. My advice would be to wait on these joints. Now, on the little lit meter, my unbiased opinion, I'll give it about a 4.6 out of 5. You heard it here first. 4.6 out of 5. I mean, I like 4s. Nothing you got to go off the rail and get these shoes. I would say hashtag F them bills. Definitely not a shoe worth to skip bills on this. So you leave a comment suggestion below. You let me know what you think about these. Was it a cop? Was it a pass? Or you was like, just get them the hell out of here? Let me know. And currently, like I said, we on the road to 5K. Tell a family member, friend. It's Emoneyshoes, and we out.